In my instance, the first case last year was a speeding case in excess of 100 miles an hour on a motorway. And the outcome initially at the Magistrates' Court was that I was banned. We then appealed to have the case heard in front of the Crown Court, and therefore in front of a legally trained judge. And at that instance, we put that appeal in, and the case was heard, extremely well defended by the barrister involved, and I was initially banned at that point in time for 40 days based on Totting rather than the 6 months. So it enabled me to be able to carry on my work. The result was critical to me. I have to drive every day of my life on business, both here and on the continent. And to employ a driver would have been expensive for our company, and also extremely difficult to organise having a permanent driver. I don't know when I have to go to meetings necessarily. It can be very last minute. I have to be in the food industry, and I absolutely would be lost without being able to drive a car. The bureaucracy of the judiciary made several mistakes in my case, and it was only as a result of Geoffrey Miller's professionalism and understanding and knowing the law and their doggedness to get to a correct result that enabled me to actually continue to drive. I cannot praise them enough for their doggedness in trying to get the result correct. I would not hesitate to recommend Geoffrey Miller Solicitors to anybody who has any form of motoring offence problem. They have always performed in an exemplary manner and a professional manner, and also an extremely pleasant manner as well. And without fail, every time I have rung them, whether it's even out of office hours, they have responded immediately, and I have the confidence of knowing that should something, God forbid, happen, I could phone them 24/7 and I would get an immediate response, and that is enough to put them a cut above any other law firm that I'm aware of.